Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, October 17, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2PM result ngayong Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2PM. 3D Lotto 2PM result ngayong October 17, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2PM. 'See you again later for 5PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 15.8 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for October 17, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.